Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. Okay, guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's start with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. This had been on a very strong uptrend. Got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there at this point. So it's had a sales trend right from there. Okay. But it didn't go too far before it stopped. Okay, so it stopped around here, and of course it went back on uptrend. It has just broken above this resistance zone, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, this is GainX 999. This had been on downtrend right from here. It sold till it got to this region, had a pullback and went back down again to break out from this support zone. And of course, it is still selling. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 1200. This also had been on a very strong uptrend, but after getting to this resistance, it was unable to break out above it. So it tried to go back on downtrend, but it played around there for a while since it's unable to go too far. So it went back on uptrend again to try out the resistance zone. Okay. So if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Let's check out PNX 999. This is Paynex 999. I actually gave out a signal on this particular asset in the Telegram channel, and it has gotten to all the TPs. I'm really happy about that. This has been an uptrend for a very long time, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, just the way we have seen it, I feel it is targeting, it is going to be targeting this particular resistance zone right now. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But for now, it is still buying. So let's move on to the next asset. Still on 15 minutes time frame. And remember, I am using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so this actually got to this support. The first time it came down from this downtrend, it got to this support zone, had a pullback and came back again, and of course got to this region. Okay, so it has not been able to break out below this trend line, and of course it's pushing up again. If it should breaks out above this particular resistance region, then definitely it's going to buy more. But for now, it is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So we should watch out for that. Okay. This is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them on your real account. Okay, I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, drop your question down there in the comment section. Thank you.